Most people aren't poor because they are lazy. They are poor because they were never taught how money really works. The truth is, your income matters, but your habits matter more. So in this video, I want to share 5 silent money mistakes that quietly drain your wealth. Avoid them and your whole life could change. Let's get into it. The first mistake is believing that budgeting is only for broke people. I used to think the same. That budgeting meant I was struggling, that it was restrictive. But here's the reality. Rich people budget too, not because they have to, but because they want control. Without a plan, your money disappears. You earn, you spend, and suddenly you're wondering where it all went. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making sure your money actually goes where it should. Whether you use a simple 50-30-20 rule or your own system, give every dollar a job. If you don't tell your money what to do, it will live without saying goodbye. Mistake number 2, relying only on your salary. I don't care how good your job is. If it's your only source of income, you are one decision, one accident, or one economic crisis away from being broke. We've seen it too many times. Having one income stream is like standing on one leg. It works until something knocks you over. Start building something on the side. Sell a skill. Create something once that pays you over and over, or explore ways to earn without clocking in. It doesn't have to make a lot at first. Even an extra $100 a month builds a momentum and gives you a breathing space. The third mistake, living like you're rich before you are. That car you can't afford but financed anyway. That phone upgrade you didn't need. Weekly nights out that burn your whole paycheck by Sunday. It's fun in the moment, but every one of those decisions robs your future. This is what they call lifestyle creep. The more you earn, the more you spend until there's nothing left to show for it. Here's a better approach. When your income goes up, let your lifestyle stay flat for a while. Use the gap to invest, save, or to start that business. Don't just live within your means, live below them. That's where the wealth grows. Now, mistake number 4, avoiding investing because it seems complicated. Look, I get it. The charts, the terms, the fear of losing money, it can feel like too much. But here's the truth. Saving alone won't make you rich. In fact, inflation is quietly stealing the value of your money every single year. If your cash just sits in a bank account, is shrinking. Start small. You don't need to be an expert. There are beginner-friendly options like index funds or EFTs. You can invest $20 a month. What matters most is building the habit. Once you start, it stops being scary. And finally, mistake number 5, thinking it's too late. Too late to save, too late to invest, too late to start over. But that mindset, that's what actually keeps people stuck. Whether you are 20 or 50, it's not too late unless you choose to do nothing. Start where you are with what you have. Tiny, consistent actions compound in ways you won't even believe. Regret is expensive, but action, that pays dividends. Now, this is what you should know. Being broke isn't just about income. It's about patterns. And if you can break the patterns, you can break the cycle. So if you're serious about changing your money story, hit subscribe. This is just the beginning.